Screaming? Oh, live screaming. Okay. Hello, hello. Yeah, I would say last time we made the illustrious triangle appear, and yeah, and I think we just continue with the Vulkan tutorial. Okay, then let me switch this to the screen share. Ta-da, there we are. So, where have we been? So let's first check what we have done. Is everything built? And that seems to be the case. Hey. That is the wrong thing. Wait a second. Yeah. Git. 3. Build. Exactly. And bin. Yeah. There's our triangle. Good. It still works. So let's see what we can do, I would say. Okay, I think we did this last time. Swapchain, image view. Oh yeah, we went through all that. Drawing, frame buffers, comma. Yeah, we have all that. Oh, okay, and here I think. No. I'm just. It's now the first day. I didn't stream yesterday, and I also want to say, yeah. So no. Yeah. That's just what I just yeah. It's just a hard-coded triangle. Still seeing where we was this here. Yeah, I think this is where we left off last time. Just a second. That should be. It's about 6,000, but that's yeah. 6,055. But as I said, it's not. I think this doesn't really count. As you see, every time I call a Vulkan function, or a new Vulkan function, I paste the sort of the function in there. And as you can see with all the structures, I do the same thing. So this isn't. Let me see whether we can sort of see count the actual name. Yeah, the actual. So so src grep. Does grep work that way? Let's see. Yeah, so if you discount comments, we're still at 4,000. So, or maybe it's this? Yeah. So it's more like 4,012. So it's and of course I'll do everything very vertically. So yeah, I mean that could be squeezed a lot, but so we will see. Okay, we did all that as far as yeah, we have that. Subpass dependencies. Yeah, this is where we left off the last time. Yes, and we did the wait idle. Okay, so I think now we're hitting this particular chapter. So max frames in flight. That's definitely something we need to take into account. So max Vulkan flight, and let's say we kind of do this. And let's see, just because. Okay, so our command buffers, we need two, and we need these to be arrays. Okay, we can do this. Okay, that was the command buffer. So these are two, and X. Mm-hmm. So yeah, command buffer. Okay, so mm-hmm. Okay, create command buffers. Why isn't it doing something? That's weird. Is there a typo somewhere? Oh, okay. So command buffer. So we place in the pool. Okay, we have that. Okay. I think this should do, right? Command buffer count, that is what was changed in here. Yeah, exactly. And then we hopefully get that. Okay. Does this compile? Oh, okay, we need to change a little more. Create sync objects. So wait a minute. Next flags. Oh, okay, we need to call them in a for loop, I guess. Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we leave these guys here, and here we need to but in our for loop. So create fence. And I want to say that we have wire I, oops, I and I and I. So now we have all these. Semaphore. Right. Ready. Oh. Ah, okay, that's still the next arrow. Gonna do this. Okay, the cleanup we need to change. Alrighty. So we're gonna do this. 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 So, and the pool will probably destroy the other ones. Okay. Still one more. Wait for fences. Ah, okay, so we have the cleanup. Draw frame. Ah, okay, we need another variable. So u in 32. Current frame. In-flight fences. Okay. Wait, was this in draw frame? Yeah. Clear. Okay, these are dependent on wait for fences, reset fences, wait for fences. Current frame, of course. So and reset fences. Waiting for the current frame. Oops, so we need to do things here. It's a little bit lengthy. So okay, command buffers. Okay. Wait a minute. Ah, okay. Acquire next image. Also. Image available. Current frame. Reset is command buffer current frame. So command buffer. Ah. Oh. Sadly, this doesn't work. So and my guess is record command buffer has a similar, yeah. Submit info. Wait a minute. Submit info. Pick home. Where's the submit info? Wait a second. P comment buffer and comment buffers. Ah, okay. Just go away. So. Okay, these were all also, yeah, that's what I thought. And in-flight fences during submission. Oh, okay. So And this was current frame as well. Okay. Yeah, okay. That goes without saying. Is it though? Swapchain. Present queue. Wait, is this? So AC run frame. So how we implemented all the needed. Yeah, we all know this. Yeah. So, but theoretically, oh wait, there is two more things. You want to debug log them. Acquire. Okay, here we have the image index. So log debug run frame image index. Okay. Or maybe we pull it right at the end. It's probably better before we increment it. And I want to get rid of this here. Can I? The other thing. Vulkan viewport. Okay, see. So don't want to carry warnings for too long. So acquire fence. Yes. I think we need to suppress some more warning, some more output, but okay. So I think we limited this anyway. Okay. But so there will be in lockstep no matter what. Good. Okay. Recreate swap chain. Yeah, I was Image views and frame buffers. Okay. So static recreate swap chain. See where you see. Okay. Wait for device idle. Okay. So create swap chain. Oh, 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 oh. Let's get this guy going. Create image views. Do I have this? Create image. I think I combined them, and that wasn't a good idea. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay. I don't think I have the image views. Ah, okay, I get them. I get them out of here. Okay, so static bool. Okay, clean up swap chain. Clean up swap chain. Text VC. Wire. So that's what we do. Waiting for the device. So yeah, swap chain image count. There's this. Okay. So swap chain. Okay, first the frame buffer, then the image views. Oh, okay, okay. I think we got it. So there we go. So, but this has the same amount, so we just simply do this. Put it in here, like so. Mm-hmm. And then we now frame buffers, image views, and the swap chain. Good. And before we do the pipeline, we clean the swap chain. Okay. So clean up swap chain. I think we void this function. So we can do this. The command pool and the fences, but this can go. This is the swap frame buffers. Render pass, and this guy can also go. And this one, obviously. So clean up swap chain. And we void our way out of here. So okay, we're doing this right from the get-go here, apparently. Pipeline, render pass, and then the semaphores. I don't think we do this right now. So no problem. And we technically require a device here. That's silly nonsense if that wouldn't be there. So pipeline layout and render path. So pipeline layout and render paths. And the command pool is destroyed before the device. So pipeline layout render path semaphores command pool device. Oh, all right. Oh, this better be good. I think we got this. Oh yeah, but we create Swapchain images. Oh yeah, the frame buffers. We didn't recreate the frame buffers. Clean up Swapchain. Remove those guys. So create frame buffers. Oh, okay. So we haven't asserted the device in any of these functions. That's very terrible. So what are we doing there? I probably wanna. Where are we? Just stop doing that. So I think the image view creation is something we can pull out of here. Because I also think it's being pulled out in the original code. Let's just see. Well, create. Yeah. Yeah, I think we make this a separate function. So So I think we can snip all of this. So this is now image. Oh. So require device. Okay, out views device. Is this inside of the for loop? Yeah. But I think we can drag this. No, here it's also inside of the for loop. I think we can drag this out. I think we can drag this out. We're gonna drag it out. So. Static. So okay, we need a format. So I think that should work there. This is what we. Okay. But okay. But don't we need an out? Ah, okay. Ah, we need images. Oh, okay. Views. VK image. Images. And I think now we can. Say images count. Okay, device and a format. That's nice. So course, we want to require these. Oh, we need to require them in here. And of course, we can also images count. Out views I. This is this. Out views being asserted. Okay. And end time block. Return true. All right. So now we have the out views. We have that. 8 image views. I think we can. Okay. If check Swapchain views. We see Swapchain images. Swapchain images count. We see device. And we see. Oh no. Where do we get the format? Swapchain surface format. Swapchain surface format. So. Create image views. So Swapchain, we can remove the out views. Good. This. What? are we doing here? Idle. Eight. Ah, okay. Views are no longer in here. So we create Swapchain. We need to clean up Swapchain. Swapchain, image views. And the frame buffers. Yeah, Swapchain, image views, frame buffer. Good. So create frame buffers. Oh, okay. So is this a timed block? It has not been. In time. Through. Yeah. Get this. We should now be able to recreate. To create. We did all that. Okay. Now we need to check this here. Okay, acquire next image. Oh, yeah, great. Image. Be used successfully, present, but the surface property are no longer matched exactly. Okay. Longer be used for rendering. Usually that. Okay. So. So, in principle, everything that isn't one of those is bad. But This one we need to explicitly handle. Say recreate Swapchain VC if hey check oops. So okay. The same thing goes on further down. So that needs to be either okay, suboptimal.
G'day, Rolf here. I'm afraid the two little boys aren't home at the moment, but if you'd like to leave a brief message and your telephone number, they will get back to you as soon as possible.
Or this. Okay, well, we can steal this here. Because if this fails, we're having a problem.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
So, but now fixing a deadlock. Beginning. Acquire next image. If we are submitting work. So after acquire, only reset fence if we are submitting work. Wait for fences. Reset fences. And then we do, okay. Acquire, wait for fences, acquire next image. And then we reset. So the reset just marches down. So Reset common buffer recreate Swapchain. Of course. What are we submitting there? There's a return also deliberately in there after. Okay. I didn't see that. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So, and we simply return true here. No, we do return false, but in the other case, we return true. This is only when recreate failed that we're gonna return false. So, oh, does this happen below there as well? Wait, let's just see. Recreate return. Acquire next images. No, here we are not returning. Okay. Although it is not guaranteed to happen, that's why we add some extra code to handle. So if frame buffer resized, can use the, okay, we already have that. Yada. Okay. There's another case where we can update resizing by pausing until the window in the forward. Okay. Nah, that's not what we're gonna do. We're not making a busy loop processing events until we are now. Even if it waits here, this is a local message pump. We're definitely not gonna do that. We just don't render in that case. It's, so that would be terrifying. So. But let's just see, does it even compile? Because we made so many changes. So create. This is this. Okay. We need to move this a little bit up the food chain. So. Okay. Choose Swapchain, extend. Swapchain, create. Maybe we put it in here. Too few arguments. Oh, that might be true. Oh, BC. Okay. Oh yeah. No sorry, not anymore. Does it still work if we don't resize? Yes. We're not being yelled at by some validation layer. That's good. So let's do the resize. Um, okay. Um, how are we doing this? Create app. Okay, update app. Void resize. If window width, new width. Window width, new width, window width. Wait. So we do a bulk resize. What is it? Resize Vulkan. Let's see. Draw Vulkan. Yeah, I think. Wait. We say recreate swap chain. Create. Um, because we work a little different than the actual tutorial. We don't probe this and get the new surface attributes when we create the swap chain. So let me just see. That has to be something. Present mode. Oh, choose swap chain extend. And I don't know if the surface capabilities change. No, they don't. Because we're only doing it the once. So, format. No, where are we doing this? Surface formats. Present mode. It's the swap chain support when that is created. Yeah. Here we get the capabilities. We treat them more or less. So we have the physical device, we still have our circles, and we still have that. Can we update this? I think we should. I think we should be able to. Is this in the physical device? I think so. Here, let's. Okay. We could. Okay. What if we're querying simply new? Wait a minute. When do we call this? Okay, we call this once for every physical device. But we do not ever call it again, so we never ever get the updated surface properties, which of course includes the width and the height. We need the physical device. I think we need. Okay, maybe. Okay. Okay. Maybe we need to put this stuff in the surface extend function. We cannot just simply hand out the once filled capabilities. Okay, we need to really query the device there. Okay, let's see. Create swap chain. Yeah. There. This is a little bit too naive an approach. So we need the physical device and then this. There's probably other. You know what? Maybe we don't need to. I don't know. They should always be identical to whatever width, and I'm not sure whether that is true. So it's just whether this is always the same size as the window, I don't really know. So I think querying is probably better. So sorry, but VK physical device physical device VK surface KHR const. Hey, can you type, you idiot? So we don't need that. It's just the one. Okay. Well, let's just surface. Let's get the damn thing. Of course. Now this must never fail. Yeah. need to really think about this differently. Okay. So. Out, extend. Surface caps. Width. Oh, maybe we copy the. Maybe we copying the whole thing. That's probably better. Okay. Ah, it's so shit that we have to drag in the device there. This is just horrible. Mm. Yeah, that is what I was so. I truly don't want this. It's, mm. So, but I do have the service. All I don't have is the physical device. All right. All right. All right. All right. What are we doing there? Wait a minute. Oh no, we're passing the caps in. Yeah, that was a little a bit. Jesus, why didn't I think of that? Okay. Ah, we just need to pass. Okay. Oh, I need to revert all of this. Shit. Shit. Ah, fuck. No. This was unnecessary. Ah. All right. Oh, it goes more. Okay. Ah. Hate swap chain details. So we're not. Here's we get the capabilities from a very specific device. Probably no, we don't need to list all of them for. Okay. And what we do. Yeah. These SCCD, they were passing in this, but not this. Okay. So now what we do, so we still need the formats and this other, but we just can't get the capabilities over there. So they would also be all wrong. Do we? Swapchain support details. Do not know their device. But we could change that. We could definitely change that. physical device. Device. So. Okay. And we could potentially also store the surface in there. I think this would be way better. So. So now that we have that dude, we enumerate all of these, we get everything new, we potentially even have more, although presume them to be the same. But we can do this later. It's not something that, so the moment we have the device and the surface that we query. So in this case, we don't need that. And instead, we get this. We do get the surface, yeah. So SC SD physical device surface. So. Caps. So now we get the extend out. Yeah, and if we would want to go more hardcore, we would simply recreate the entire Swapchain support detail. But for the moment, we only need the new size, so we stick with that. Okay. And maybe we can require this dude as well, so that there's no surprises. So now Vulkan is now EC resize div or something. True. Or maybe we just use this guy. Resizing, let's just say. Is this correct? No, this is English. Resizing. Please, okay, so it's definitely yeah, resizing. So VK true. VK false. And now so what was the logic here? Handling resizes. This was with the read. Wait, is this everywhere in the code or? A little. Okay, here is just return and nothing. And here we reset resizing. Okay, so that's cute. We do the same thing. Our frame. So here we leave. Wait a minute, does he do this every frame? Oh no, it's okay, whenever suboptimal is... Ah, okay. Yeah. So we need more... We need a little more. Alrighty, right. Not a problem. Out of date. Suboptimal. VC resizing. Even if we fail, we still reset it. I mean, so yeah. We also wanna just recreate Swapchain. And then we want to go in here and log what we're getting here. Oh, debug. Swapchain extend. D percent D. Just out. Out. Extend 8. That's that height. So so, and then we should see in the log that the extent changes. If we see how. Resize Vulkan. Yeah. Resize Vulkan, and we also promise not to render if we're minimized. Certainly won't be rendering any... What was that? Any frames here. So that should sort of make the application happy. Oh, but in case we're no longer Well, we will see how this will behave. So we better use a proper shell. Okay. Again, rebuild. Then read. Doing bad. Something bad happened. We no longer see our triangle. Broke something. But we're not being yelled at. At least they think we're not. It doesn't look like yelling. So we broke it. Of course. How did we? Oh. Still. There's something. Is it just something stupid or? Is it something in the app? Oh, yeah. Logic. Fuzzy. Okay, we have a triangle. Let's. Duh. We made something bad. So. We made something stop. Oh. Swapchain extend. Enter recreate swapchain. Okay. Leaving create swapchain. So this apparently failed. So the moment so I think so we may want to do this just so to have it in the logging. So that we know things are being properly destroyed. So, frame buffers, views. Okay, this is hopefully, and now the swap chain is destroyed. So that is the cleanup. And oh, doesn't the recreate start with a cleanup? My guess is it does. I just did it wrong. Recreate swap chain. Yeah. Oopsie. Don't think we need this, but we need. Oops. Cleanup swap chain. There we go. I hope this was enough. Implicit. My guesses were just stop popping and. Oh, okay. I'm not writing prototypes out right now. Sorry. You just have to move, I'm afraid. Good. Well, at least we haven't stopped. It seems to still be running. Let's make it really small. Oh. If we minimize it, we stop. We no longer render. Then we continue rendering. So, I think this looks perfectly fine. Yeah. Alrighty. Alrighty. So I'm wondering, shall we? So. Oh, okay. I think we leave this here. Should we leave this for another day? I think. Because that seems to be like a lot of changes. Well, I think, you know, the last stream was pretty lengthy. Maybe we making this one a short one here. So git status. Okay, git add here. Status. Oh, let me check. I need to. I think we can do this. Swapchain recreation. Yeah. Git push check. That will be you. Oh, I need to also extend my token. Okay, but I will do this offline, of course. So, in this case, well, short stream today, so see you next time. Bye bye. OBS. Stop streaming.